just loaded up. Got some ridiculous ingenuity going on here. Bungees, full bag, hoary ass backpack, and a rake whistle. How good. Look at this engineering. I think we're about to get a little bit silly.
So we're gonna go for a swim. The ranger said the best way to get there is through ankle deep, knee deep soft sand and then swimming across the river mouth.
Oh, look at it! Spike up that bad boy. Feeling the burn. It's 7 o'clock. Currently foraging for some firewood. As you can see, there's a stack of soaking wet wood, some soaking wet kindling, and some soaking wet rocks.
This is Josh's dinner right here. What are we having for dinner, Josh? No ducks.
Oh, that looks disgusting.
Flame grilled. Better and better, doesn't it, Josh?
Holy heck. Morning, brother!
And a broken soul right there.
Yo, update. Home now. Time for a bivvy. And some rash cream.